Purple Heart. It's awarded to members of the U.S. military who are wounded or killed in action. And recently, we here at News 4 were asked to help a man trying to return a Purple Heart discovered in a safety deposit box that was part of an estate. And we were honored to be there when that medal was presented to the family of the sailor who made the supreme sacrifice nearly 70 years ago.
At this VFW post in Lodi, two families meet for the first time.
Hey. Oh, it's Angelo.
Brought together by a sailor's sacrifice 68 years ago.
And there were sailors on a bus. And I says, hey, my brother's in the Navy. He's on the Bunker Hill. Well, they said that ship got hit.
Joseph Tempio of Garfield was killed on the USS Bunker Hill off Okinawa in May 1945 in one of the final battles of World War II. His widow married Linda Suzik's grandfather, and in December, she found Joseph's Purple Heart in a family safety deposit box. Linda and her husband Pete began a determined effort to find his relatives. None were listed on official records.
So every place I went, going globally, I even went to international Navy personnel officers. I was hitting dead ends.
Pete asked News 4 to spread word of his search. And retired newspaper reporter Jim Lowney, though, he had a hunch that the Tempios lived nearby, and he was right.
And I saw Clifton, Charles. I said, it's close to Patterson, where the Tempios were from. And I called him and left a message. And the next morning he called back. He said, boy, am I excited. You have my Uncle Joe's medal found.
His Purple Heart is made of... Mr. Angelo Tempio, I present the Purple Heart. God bless you, the family. God bless Joseph Tempio.
It's very, very overwhelming and very surprising that what they went through, it's amazing.
There it was. It was great to be there yesterday. And what was really nice is Pete Suzik called me afterwards and said they went over to the Tempios' house and spent some hours together visiting. And now they're brought together by the return of this medal.
I think it's wonderful, and it's so touching that you were able to be there and witness that. And so many years later, so I'm sure that the Tempio family had no hopes of ever
They
seeing
never did. And it was one of these things where even 68 years later, there was so much emotion on behalf of his brothers. And they still recall that day when they got that terrible news that any family gets, the awarding of a Purple Heart, especially posthumously. So it's great that it's back with the family. So good work all around.
Very nice. Wonderful.